Hey, welcome! If you've ever tried to build an AI agent and thought, okay, this works on my laptop, now what? This video is for you. Today we're diving deep into AWS Bedrock AgentCore, the production blueprint for building AI agents that actually work at scale, securely, and reliably. Whether you're studying for your AWS certification or just trying to understand how real-world AI infrastructure works, stick with me. We're going to break this down piece by piece, and I promise it'll click. Let's go. So first, let's set the stage. The big question everyone faces when they build an AI agent is, how do I take this thing from a cool prototype to something that runs in production? And that gap, that prototype to production gap, is exactly what AgentCore is designed to bridge. Think of it like this. Building a prototype AI agent is like cooking a meal at home for your friends. It tastes great, you know where everything is, and if something goes wrong, you just laugh it off. But running an AI agent in production, that's like running a restaurant kitchen at peak dinner service. You need systems, safety protocols, speed, and everything has to work every single time. AgentCore is your restaurant kitchen infrastructure. Now, before we get into the components, let me give you the high-level picture. AWS Bedrock AgentCore is a modular operating system for production AI agents. The key word there is modular. It's built from 5 distinct components, each solving a specific production challenge. You've got runtime, memory, gateway, identity, and observability. And together they form a complete system that handles everything from secure execution to tool connectivity to debugging. This is your map for today, so keep it in mind as we go deeper. All right, let's talk about component 1, AgentCore runtime. This is the foundation, the engine room of your AI agent. Think of runtime like a secure microVM container. What's a microVM? Imagine a tiny, isolated computer that exists just for your agent. It boots up fast, it's completely sandboxed from everything else, and when it's done, it shuts down cleanly. This matters enormously in production because you don't want one rogue agent affecting another one, and you definitely don't want agents running with more permissions than they need. Here's the key insight for your exams and for your architecture decisions. AgentCore runtime gives you code execution isolation, auto-scaling, and container-level security out of the box. You don't have to build any of that yourself. It handles the life cycle of your agent, spinning up when there's work to do, scaling out when demand spikes, and scaling back down to save costs. That last part is huge. One of the biggest production headaches is managing compute costs. And runtime's auto-scaling means you're not paying for idle capacity. The takeaway here is simple. Runtime is your secure, scalable execution environment. It's the where and how your agent runs. Now let's move to component 2, AgentCore memory. This is one of my favorite components because the analogy is so intuitive. Think about your own memory. Right now, you're holding on to everything I've said in this video. That's your short-term working memory. But you also remember things from years ago, facts, experiences, skills. That's your long-term memory. AI agents need exactly the same thing. AgentCore memory has 2 layers. Short-term memory is like RAM. It's fast, it's contextual, and it holds everything the agent needs for the current conversation or task. When the task ends, short-term memory clears. Long-term memory is like a hard drive. It persists across sessions. So if a user told your agent their preferences last month, the agent can still remember them today. This is what makes AI agents feel intelligent rather than amnesiac. For production systems, this distinction is critical. You need to know what to store, where to store it, and how long to keep it. AgentCore memory handles all of that with a unified API, so you're not stitching together 3 different databases. Takeaway: memory gives your agent continuity and context, both in the moment and over time. Next up, component 3, AgentCore gateway, and this one is all about connectivity. Here's the challenge. Your AI agent is smart, but it needs to interact with the real world. Databases, APIs, internal tools, external services. The problem is that all of these systems speak different languages. One uses REST, another uses GraphQL, another has a custom SDK. Before AgentCore, you'd have to write custom connectors for every single one. That's a maintenance nightmare. AgentCore Gateway is your universal translator. It takes your existing APIs and systems and wraps them in a standardized MCP, Model Context Protocol tool interface. So instead of your agent needing to know how to call 15 different APIs, it just calls standardized tools. And Gateway handles the translation behind the scenes. Think of it like a universal remote control that works with every TV, every streaming device, every sound system in your house. You press one button, and Gateway figures out the right signal to send. It also handles dual authentication, so both your agent and the downstream system are properly verified. Now, component 4, AgentCore Identity. And this is where things get really important from a security standpoint. In the real world, every employee has a badge. It tells the building who they are, what floors they can access, what systems they can use. AgentCore Identity is exactly that for your AI agents. Every agent gets a workload identity, a cryptographically verified credential that says, I am Agent X, and I'm authorized to do Y and Z. This is crucial for 2 reasons. First, it prevents privilege escalation. Your agent can only access what it's supposed to access, nothing more. Second, it enables impersonation workflows. Sometimes an agent needs to act on behalf of a human user, and Identity handles that handoff securely. Credentials are managed and rotated automatically, so there's no risk of hard-coded secrets leaking out. For anyone preparing for AWS security certifications or building multi-agent systems, Identity is the component you need to understand cold. Takeaway: AgentCore Identity gives your agents a secure, verifiable enterprise ID, so they can be trusted actors in your system. Component 5, AgentCore Observability, and this one might be the most underrated of the bunch. Here's a question. If your AI agent makes a wrong decision, how do you know why? You can't just look at the output and guess. You need to trace every step of its reasoning. Observability gives you an X-ray into your agent's thought process. Think of it like flight data recorders on an airplane. When something goes wrong, investigators don't guess what happened. They pull the black box and trace every reading, every action, every decision point. AgentCore Observability is your black box for AI. It captures every tool call, every reasoning step, every API response with timestamps and context. You can see exactly why the agent made the decisions it made and exactly where it went wrong if it did. For production systems, this isn't optional. It's essential. You can't improve what you can't measure, and you can't debug what you can't see. Takeaway: observability is your window into agent behavior. It's how you maintain confidence and control in production. Now let's put it all together. The end-to-end workflow of AgentCore is actually elegant once you see it. A user makes a request. Identity validates who's asking and what they're allowed to do. Runtime spins up a secure microVM to execute the agent logic. Memory provides context, both short-term conversation history and long-term user preferences. Gateway translates tool calls into API requests and brings back the results. And observability is watching everything the whole time, logging every step. The user gets a response, the microVM shuts down cleanly, and all of this happened in milliseconds. What's powerful about this architecture is that each component is independently scalable. If your agents suddenly need more memory capacity, you scale memory. If you're connecting to more APIs, you add them in Gateway. You don't have to redesign the whole system. This is what mature production-grade architecture looks like: loosely coupled, independently scalable, and observable end-to-end. So how do you actually build with AgentCore? AWS gives you 2 great developer tools, the AgentCore CLI and the Python SDK. Let's talk about both. The CLI is your command line interface for deploying and managing agents. If you're comfortable in a terminal, this is the fastest way to get started. You can initialize a new agent project, deploy it to AWS, monitor its status, and tear it down, all from your terminal. Think of it like having a remote control for your production agent infrastructure right from your command line. The Python SDK is perfect for developers who want to integrate AgentCore directly into their code. You can programmatically create agents, configure their memory and identity, connect them to tools via Gateway, and deploy them, all in Python. If you've ever used Boto 3 to interact with AWS services, the AgentCore Python SDK will feel immediately familiar. You import the library, instantiate a client, and call methods. Clean, readable, and powerful. For exam preparation, know that both tools exist and what they're used for. CLI is great for operational management and quick deployments. SDK is great for programmatic control and automation in your CI/CD pipeline. Takeaway: AgentCore gives you both a command line interface and a Python SDK, so you can build, deploy, and manage production agents in whatever way fits your workflow. Now let's talk about something really important: when to use AgentCore and when not to. This is where a lot of people get tripped up, and it's exactly the kind of nuanced thinking that separates good cloud architects from great ones. AgentCore is the right choice when you're building agents that need enterprise-grade security and compliance, when you have multiple agents that need to collaborate, when you need reliable tool access via standardized interfaces, and when you need full observability and audit trails. If you're deploying to a regulated industry like healthcare or finance, AgentCore's identity and observability features are not a nice-to-have. They're a requirement. But AgentCore is not the right choice for simple single-turn chatbots that don't need persistent memory. It's not for quick one-off automation scripts. It's not ideal if you need a fully custom infrastructure that doesn't fit the AgentCore model, and it's probably overkill for personal projects or early-stage prototypes where you're still figuring out what you're building. The principle here is a classic one in cloud architecture: use the right tool for the right job. AgentCore is a production-grade system, and production-grade systems come with production-grade complexity. Use it when the stakes are high enough to justify it. All right, we've made it to the final slide, the AgentCore advantage. And I want to close this out by bringing everything together because you've covered a lot of ground today and you should feel genuinely proud of that. Let's recap the 5 key advantages of AgentCore. Number 1, security by default. From the microVM isolation and runtime to the workload identities in identity, AgentCore bakes security into every layer. You're not adding it as an afterthought. It's foundational. Number 2, intelligent memory. Your agents remember what they need to, for as long as they need to, both within a session and across sessions. That's what makes them actually useful over time. Number 3, seamless connectivity. Gateway turns any API into an AI-ready tool. Your agent can reach every system in your organization without you writing custom connectors for each one. Number 4, trusted execution. Every agent has a verified identity, every action is credentialed, and impersonation workflows are handled safely. Number 5, full observability. You can see inside your agent's mind. Every reasoning step, every tool call, every decision is logged and traceable. No more flying blind in production. Put these 5 together, and you have a system that is secure, intelligent, connected, trusted, and observable. That's not just good for production, that's the gold standard for enterprise AI. Here's my challenge to you. Don't just understand these concepts, go build with them. Pull up the AgentCore CLI or the Python SDK, spin up a test agent, connect it to a tool via gateway, and watch it run. There is no substitute for hands-on experience, and AWS Bedrock makes it more accessible than ever. The QR code on this slide links directly to the installation guide. Your first agent could be running in less than an hour. You've just gone from zero to understanding one of the most powerful AI infrastructure platforms in the cloud ecosystem. Runtime, memory, gateway, identity, observability. You know what they do, why they matter, and when to use them. That knowledge is genuinely valuable, whether you're preparing for an AWS certification, building production systems at work, or just satisfying your curiosity about how cutting-edge AI really works. Thanks for watching. Now go build something amazing.